guys, this is That Cool Guy 95. Happy New Year. This is part one of my New Year vlogs. Let me just show you this first firework that I got here. It is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And there's gonna be a lot more after this one, so just stay tuned for that. Firework was actually pretty cool. It's hard to fire. Watch out, Dad. You're a small fire. Yeah, it's fine. So this is my dad. And this is the biggest firework that we got so far. I will be recording more fireworks. So yeah, we're just gonna light this baby up. Want to see Trains Part 4? Just like the video and subscribe. In 3, 2, 1. Pretty cool. By the way, the part 3 of these videos will be. Oh yeah, that's cool. The part 3 of these videos will be a live stream till midnight. Ooh, that's cool. Oh yeah. In the comments, rate this firework from 1 to 10. I'll rate it an 8 out of 10. What would you rate it, Dad?
Pretty good. 8 out of 10.
Right, 8 out of 10. That's pretty cool. The biggest one, it turns out that my dad got a bigger one to surprise me. I don't think he's supposed to rip that off.
Oh, no?
No.
It's just paper. You have to find your thing. Where's the actual thing?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, sorry. Oh, look, the train. Remember Trains Part 4? Coming up soon, next year. I wanted to answer some questions about the That Cool Guy 95 Part 2 channel. It will be coming soon. That Cool Guy 95 team and me are working very hard on it. It should be coming next year. I'm sorry for the whole wait and stuff. Just please also follow me on Instagram if you are watching this and you have Instagram. Also, shout out to everybody that watches my videos and thank you for an amazing year. Remember, we still got a few more hours before it reaches midnight, and I wanted 100 subscribers since the very start of me making these videos. And thank you for making me have all these subscribers possible. And I'll see you in the next firework. Biggest one that we got. Back up for this one. Yeah, run. Pretty cool. It's not as cool as the other one so far, but I bet it's gonna be bigger. That's a cool shot. Oh. Looks cool. This one's a 10 out of 10. Dad, what would you rate this firework? Still an 8.
I don't know.
Alright, it's still going up. Fine. That's cool stuff.
Still going.
Longest firework we got. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Gonna do something else.
This isn't the end of it, folks. Also, Merry Christmas. I was gonna do a live stream then and post, the Part 2 channel, but it was canceled. Don't worry, this won't be like FNAF security breach.
What is he lying about, man?
My dad doesn't know what FNAF is. 10 out of 10 firework. Best one we ever got so far.
You hear the train?
Still going. never gonna see something like that again in your life, probably. Train right next to a firework. And I dare anyone watching this video to eat Mr. Beast chocolate with Hershey's on top of it or something. I don't know. Mr. Beast, please let me be in one of your challenge videos, I beg you. There it goes again. You guys are lucky. I can zoom you guys into the fireworks.
That was a good one, man. That was long.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Got another firework. We just lit that one a few ago, but we're about to light it again away from the bush because we don't want to start a fire. Team trees 3 years ago. I donated to that. Even though it's a bush. I still keep my rating of an 8 out of 10 for this one. It's still pretty good. Yeah, still going. Yeah, there it is. Another excellent shot for Trains Part 4. Sorry if this is a really long video. Thank you for the guys that are still sticking here. Or ladies, just people. Sorry. Oh yeah, just stare into the fiery pits of hell. Yeah. Serious, we better do something about that.
It's just gonna go out.
So yeah, we started a fire, everybody.
Oh, shit.
Guys, the fire did go out, so you guys don't have to worry. We did. The fire did extinguish eventually. So yeah. S'mores for anyone, Dad? Do you want some s'mores? So we're going to a different location maybe, or we're just gonna head closer away from where the fire just was, but we're gonna start adventuring. We got some tiny sticks of fireworks. There seems to be a train coming, so maybe I'll film a scene of Trains Part 4 here. That thing's crazy. That thing's on fire now. And it's out. There goes another thing. This is so much fun. Last one. America.
Spinners are good.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you for the part 2 of this video, and then we'll finish it off with a live stream at midnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like button and subscribe, or you can just keep enjoying my videos. I'll see you guys later.